Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar took its stride to the upside on Monday and recently contesting the highs that we see back here in September around 73.65. From the challenge, the market backed away. However, rising copper and also rising iron ore prices has helped sustain the current trend, as we can see here, since the rejection of 72.25 and now breaking through the 60-day moving average, which is roughly, we can see here, around 73.14. With the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, strengthening back to the recent highs around 94.40, does give some concern we could see a bull trap very soon. Therefore, see a rejection from this top side, look back towards the lower region of 72 cents. But at present, the euro still seems to be on track to the target of 113.5. If the dollar index can close above 94.40, then this would see a projection up towards 95.30.80 and put the euro on track to the downside. However, do be on your guard because there is some bullish divergence here from both the MACD and also the RSI. However, the close in the dollar index above 94.40 would negate possibly this bullish divergence, but still be a little bit cautious in case we do see a rebound back up towards the highs of 116, as we do have later on Wednesday the US CPI numbers and also the Fed minutes. Dollar yen continues to track higher as we look over the last 3 consecutive days, now puts the indicator to extreme overbought condition. I do feel there's a bull trap coming, and as we edge closer to 114, that might be where it is, because the ADX will probably be overheating quite considerably, and the RSI will eventually expect to see some kind of correction to the bear case. Sterling a little bit weaker as it rejects that topside challenge and now puts slightly a bear case in play into the European session. I feel the market may actually break down towards 135.70 or a bit lower to about 135.30 as the technicals remain somewhat soft. CAD yen is also likely to see a bull trap very soon as we are overbought and the ADX is overheating as it gets to 50 on the axis. Therefore, any rises potentially above 91 should see a snap to the downside and look for a pullback to half this candle is around 89.40.50. Wrapping up with gold, well, since the rejection on Friday, the market is still somewhat lackluster and still poses a threat to that level of 1,748. A closer beneath there would give further indication down towards 1,720 to 33. Finishing off with oil, well, I would feel there's a possible shooting star in play here. And if we see a close underneath the level around 78.65.70, that would indicate the further weakness and maybe see a pullback eventually from this bull trend that started around $60 a barrel and look down towards the region around $74, with some bearish divergence here does support the case. Well, that wraps it for now. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.